Bat-eared fox, Otocyon megalotis. Lifespan: 6 to 13 years. Weight: 4.5 to 10 pounds. Height: 11 to 16 inches. Length: 18 to 26 inches. Conservation status: least concern. Diet: insectivore. Where do they live? The bat-eared fox is a species of fox that lives in the African savanna. They are adapted to arid or semi-arid environments. They live in short grasslands, as well as the more arid regions of the savannas, along woodland edges, and in open acacia woodlands. There are two subspecies of the bat-eared fox in Africa. One is in the eastern part of Africa, stretching from Tanzania to southern Sudan and Ethiopia. The other subspecies is found in the southern part of Africa from Cape Peninsula and Cape Agulhas in South Africa to Angola and Zambia, reaching Mozambique and Zimbabwe. What do they eat? Bat-eared foxes are a type of carnivore called insectivores. About 80% of their diet can consist of dung beetles and harvester termites. The body fluids of these insects serve the bat-eared foxes as a water source. The foxes also feed upon chicks and the eggs of birds. In addition, their usual diet includes arthropods, small rodents, lizards, and vegetable matter. They tend to hunt in short grass and low shrub habitats but will sometimes venture into areas with tall grasses and thick shrubs to hide when threatened. Bat-eared foxes usually hunt in groups, often splitting up in pairs, with separated subgroups moving through the same general area. They locate prey primarily by auditory means, rather than by smell or sight. Family life. The habits of bat-eared foxes largely depend on the area of their living. Thus, populations in the Serengeti region are most active at night, while those in South Africa are nocturnal in summer and diurnal in winter. Bat-eared foxes are highly social animals, living in pairs or family groups. They use their tails and ears for communication. Family groups of these foxes include a mated pair and their young. Bat-eared foxes are monogamous, usually mating once in a lifetime. However, there are recorded cases of two females living with one male and a case of communal nursing. Pairs share the same den, foraging together and protecting each other. In their downtime, they rest together, social groom, and play with one another. Their gestation period lasts 60 to 70 days, after which the female gives birth to 2 to 6 babies. Both parents participate in rearing the babies. Conservation. The bat-eared fox is common and widespread throughout its range, but no overall population estimate is available. Currently, this species is classified as least concern, and its numbers today are stable. Many larger mammal species will hunt bat-eared foxes. Their main predators include large predators such as leopards, lions, African wild dogs, cheetahs, hyenas, and even Central African rock pythons. Bat-eared foxes face threats from hunters for their pelts. Another serious threat is the fragmentation of habitat. And finally, diseases such as canine parvovirus, canine distempervirus, and rabies are also among the notable dangers. Fun facts. They are named for their large ears, which have a role in thermoregulation. Bat-eared foxes are able to dig dens for themselves as well as dig the prey out of holes. However, in spite of being excellent diggers, they often prefer using burrows dug by other species such as aardvarks. The bat-eared foxes control the harvester termite population in their habitat, eating up to 1.15 million termites per year. They have 48 teeth, 6 more than any other canid. The oldest recorded bat-eared fox in captivity lived to be more than 17 years old.